What applies in the area 15 meters in front of and behind this traffic sign? A. I may stop. B. I may park. C. I may not obstruct passengers boarding or alighting. The correct answers are A and C. In the area 15 meters in front of and behind this traffic sign, you are generally permitted to stop to pick up or drop off passengers, but you must not obstruct passengers boarding or alighting. This road traffic sign is displayed for your lane. What must you be aware of? A. I may only use this lane if my vehicle can and is allowed to drive at a speed of at least 60 kilometers per hour. B. I may not drive faster than 60 kilometers per hour. C. I must drive at a minimum speed of 60 kilometers per hour if permitted by the road and traffic conditions. The correct answers are A and C. This sign indicates a minimum speed limit of 60 kilometers per hour for the lane. What vehicles may enter a zone with this sign? A. Vehicles driven by residents. B. Small electric vehicles. C. Bicycles. The correct answers are A, B, and C. This sign indicates a bicycle zone where vehicles driven by residents, small electric vehicles, and bicycles are permitted to enter. Which vehicles are not allowed to drive here? A. Light motorcycles. B. Motorized bicycle. C. Small motorcycles. The correct answer is B. This sign indicates a prohibition for motorized bicycles to drive in this area. What must you do when you see this combination of traffic signs? A. When entering the roundabout, you must give way. B. You must indicate right to leave the roundabout. C. You must enter to the left. The correct answers are A and B. When you see this combination of traffic signs, you must give way to vehicles already in the roundabout when entering, and you must indicate right when leaving the roundabout. What vehicles may you overtake when this traffic sign is displayed? A. No vehicles. B. Multi-track vehicles. C. Single-track vehicles. The correct answer is A. When this traffic sign is displayed, it indicates a general prohibition on overtaking, meaning you may not overtake any vehicles. What must you anticipate when you see this road sign? A. Pedestrians who may only cross the road from the right. B. Pedestrians that might cross the road. C. A pedestrian crossing that is hard to see. The correct answers are B and C. This sign indicates that you must anticipate pedestrians who might cross the road, and it often warns of a pedestrian crossing that is hard to see. What does this traffic sign indicate? A. Federal Road, Bundesstraße, 22. B. An underground station. C. A diversion for Autobahn traffic when required. The correct answer is C. This sign, indicating U22 with an arrow, means a diversion for autobahn, highway, traffic, when required. What do you do upon seeing this traffic sign? A. I approach at a moderate speed, ready to brake. B. I allow the crosswise moving traffic the right of way. C. If I'm turning right, I'm not obliged to wait. The correct answers are A and B. Upon seeing this "Give way" traffic sign, you must approach at a moderate speed, be ready to brake, and allow the crosswise moving traffic the right of way. What does this traffic sign combination indicate? A. The end of a children's playground. B. The end, a traffic calming zone. C. The end, a pedestrian zone. The correct answer is B. This traffic sign combination indicates the end of a traffic calming zone.